Yo, what up squad, it's your boy K-Flow. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install this door Molle panel for your Toyota Tacoma. And make sure you stick around to the end, because I will be giving away a few of these to a few of you lucky dudes. Now let's get this thing started. So according to my analytics, 69% of you mother lovers are still not subscribed to my channel yet. I give so many good content in this channel, guys, so stop being a little and subscribe already. And if you're new to this channel, my channel is the most in-depth Tacoma DIY videos, so smash the subscribe button already, baby. In this video, one of my subscribers actually suggested that I design and fabricate a Molle panel for the door, so I did just that. I designed this in Fusion 360 and used SheetCam to generate a G-code for my plasma cutter. Wow, just look at this thing go, guys. I can watch this thing all day. As a mechanical engineer, it's really quite mesmerizing to watch machines do their thing. Anyways, I will be selling these panels at my store, so make sure you check that out at store.kflow-crib.com. Now let's get to the garage. So these panels will come like this. Unpainted and rough cut. Now I'll take my angle grinder and smooth out all the edges, as well as give the surface a nice texture so that the paint can adhere to it so much better. Now this is how it looks after it's been sanded. So now we're going to use acetone and then wax and tar remover to clean up all of the surfaces here and get it ready for paint. So now I have it hanging from the ceiling on fishing line. I'm gonna lay 3 coats of this paint and primer on both sides.
Day 2.
So I let it cure overnight, and man does that look good. So now I'm going to cut the fishing line and get the installation started. And here's another shot from the workbench. So these panels will come with these spacers and screws. Now we're going to take our Molle panel, set it up against the door there, and mark out the holes with a Sharpie. So for now, what I did is thread in one corner and put a spacer behind it, and we're going to punch it through the plastic since these are self-tapping screws. But we don't want to fully tighten yet. Remember, don't over tighten these screws because you don't want to pull out any of those threads in the plastic. So now I'm going to line up the screw with the dot that I made. So now I have one loosely mounted, and I'll repeat that step 3 more times. And just as a side note, guys, you can take a 1/16 inch drill bit to get a hole started there if you're having trouble with getting those screws driving into the plastic. So at this point, all 4 are still pretty much loosely mounted. I would advise to basically tighten these down by hand because we really don't want to pull out those threads. So that's what the finished install looks like, guys. And we'll just repeat it one more time at the passenger side door.
One debt to society later.
And here's what the passenger side looks like. Here's what it looks like with a Molle bag and my Leatherman. I'd say this thing looks sweet. But just be mindful though, because when you shut the door, you only have a couple of inches between this door and the seat. That's roughly how much room there is between your seat and your door. You really can't overstuff this Molle bag. And I just stuck my tape measure onto there because I do use that pretty often when leveling the truck. But anyways, these things can definitely hold roughly about 8 pounds comfortably. And these are on plastic threads, so you don't want to overstock them with too much weight. But for like light items like knives, first aid kits, and stuff like this, this will work out really well for your use. I have to say, guys, this thing looks so sexy on my door. Let me know what you guys think about this mod. And again, This mod was actually suggested by viewers like you. So make sure if you have any ideas that you wanted to share or you wanted me to try out, I do have a plasma cutter and a 3D printer. And any of your ideas that has the most likes, I will try to implement it as best as I can. So leave them in the comment section below. So now let's talk about how you can win one for your own Tacoma. Number 1, you'll have to be subscribed to my channel, and I'll have to be able to see that you are. Number 2, make sure you like this video. Number 3, comment in this video saying, "Molle my door," exclamation point, and put your first name and your last name. Another way to win would be through Facebook, so make sure you follow me at KFlow Tacoma. Make sure you share this video on your status and tag me at KFlow Tacoma. Now the third way you can try to win this will be through Instagram, so make sure you follow me there at KFlow_Tacoma. Share my post and tag 3 of your friends while also saying "Molle my door." So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe button if you haven't yet. And until next time, peace out, people.